trudge on through the snow, realizing that I'm walking all alone. Distant memories do haunt me, but the clock just can't be old. Yeah, I'll just go, keep on walking where the cold wind blows. I remember when I thought I found my gold, and when things went bad, I started getting old, and then I knew that I was meant to walk alone. I knew I was starting over. I knew start was my abode, but I found that I was right back where the cold wind blows. Now I reminisce, I try to see the good, things just never worked. It turned out like it should, and one day I found I'm finally on solid ground. Now I really do have freedom to pursue the things I love, and I refuse to go back there, where the cold wind blows. Hey boy, carry on. You know you've got it made. I just tell myself it's like sitting in the shade, but the sun comes out and gives me warm each day. Loneliness is not a problem, won't be put